The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times, CO.za at the FNB Stadium. It will be Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates in the Soweto Derby. Both teams find themselves in the upper end of the table. It's Sundowns 36 points, Orlando Pirates 36 points. So the Derby has implications even in relation to the title, something that we don't normally see year on year. Kaizer Chiefs are not far away from that. They're on around 30-something points as well. If they win, it also means that they climb up the table for them too. I suppose the tension and the stress will largely be on Orlando Pirates because they do have to respond to Sundowns. They lost to Sundowns directly in the Betway Premiership, and Sundowns have climbed up now to be number one on number of goals scored. So Orlando Pirates have to dismiss Kaizer Chiefs in front of them if they want to go back to the top of the table. Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs will play against each other again somewhere on the 25th of April towards the end of the season. Maybe by that point, it will really be a title-deciding game. On Sunday, Mamelodi Sundowns will play against Kokune as well, which means Sundowns will have a chance to respond to whatever happens to tomorrow's derby. In this video with Junior, we'll only talk about the Soweto derby. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. How are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Just, sir?
Yeah, Benedict Sovilagazi.
So-and-so?
Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
I was just saying to Tso now that it's been a long time since Sbuga a derby and my implications with title.
Yeah.
Whereby Pirates need that 3 points to go above Sundowns. The Chiefs now, if they get the 3 points by Sondelago Pirates, they even fight for CAF Champions League spot if they get the 3 points. So it's nice for South African football, because I think last year Magdalene Derby, Chiefs Bay number 10, Pirates number 2. So whatever happens there, Chiefs Bay is top 8. But for the first time in a long time, it's a derby that will be, it can make Chiefs number 3, it can make Pirates number 1. So it's a title implication.
Yeah, I think it's a congratulations to Farouk Khan, Master Khan. He just won the award, a lifetime icon in terms of development.
Oh, nice one. Congratulations. Congratulations, coach.
Yeah, I was
very, very important.
He was like a father to me when I was a chief development. I has proved himself. I
think he sent one player in Brazil recently.
Yeah, Fluminense.
Fluminense. It's very, very important. Yes, I saw a post UKG from Stars of Africa going to Brazil. Farouk Khan is very important. Very, very important. Even if you think about Tukelo Rantier, Surprise Ralani, Mail Mahlangu, there was a point where South Africa being about 20 in Europe and maybe 10 or 12 bebe Pumaguye. Even about Tibang Pete, Patrick Maswanganyi, Hashim Domingo, they were at Braga at the same time, and they were coming from Farouk. Luther Singh as well is coming from him. So he is very important to Farouk Khan. You've never seen a country where Umuntu won. Hundreds of kids come from those single hands.
Yeah, that's why I always emphasize that guy, because Chiefs Carrots the list goes on. But the list goes on.
Yeah, even the likes of Shuffle as well. Yeah, they were under his hands.
Yes, Isaac Mabuza, like Marcelo. So Mushin Bianga struggle about 30 meters. So let to be compromise talent. Yeah. So going to the game.
Title, it means something for the title of this game.
Yeah, it's in bigger. So both teams, I think honestly, a very important game for them. Orlando Pirates, the main reason they sign about Police, they sign about all these players. Moremi, yes, Mbule, is because of the league title, Champions League. Alama trophy abu MTN8, Carling Black Label. Carling, I mean to say. Yes, they are important, but the main, it was the league and Champions League.
Yeah.
Bebani believe with Bazo Itata, which is true. It's quite tough. Very strong. Young, talented players. And with experience, good players. But it downfall was being expected to be a coach. You can't talk about Rosebank Mall, you never been inside there. You can talk by passing, not inside. So the coach Amboni Polelas. Angish is not important how you started. Important So coach now, I think experimented too much. rotate squad. It's inexperienced lanto leyo. Nala kungamelanga khona. Kunamama game ubonile ukuthi compromisile. Like game last time he lost. If you can check how he started, I don't think bekumele aqale ngale ndlela. Letting go abantu abanjengabo Mabasa. Yamba nang experience. As a coach, technical team yakhe noma ngabe nenkinga ubele etshela ukuthi you guys ningike mandate ngicela nimkhiphe Mabasa and bring abombuthuma inexperienced players. They have quality. That's why they dominated Bafana AFCON. Talented players. Honestly, baqale kahle ku first round, but now it matters most is second round. It's experience, also the character. Played there. These two, experience and character. Will I Sundowns game in and they've got seasoned players, also experienced players. So going to Kaizer Chiefs, ibona problem maning compared to Orlando Pirates. They were out, knock out. I mean to say, MTN8, Carling, Nedbank, which is they were defending champions. Marwa lose the first game. Champions League Confederation, you can't talk about that. They are out already. League, I don't think gaming is over counter as abantu abangayini league. Omunye umuntu angaba ne hope. Yes, ukuba ne hope grand. We all say you must have a hope in life general. But let's face it, I'm affected now.
So you would eliminate them we talk here title race?
No, title race I can't call Bafaga because of bane problem, crisis, coaching department. Also players. They've got average players for me. I don't think they've got quality players abanga compete in the Pirates and Sundowns. But now they can't.
Okay. Besides whatever you think about the result yakusasa.
Yeah.
Assuming that Chiefs can win, ingazithola iku number 2 or number 3, something like that. I didn't check the number of points.
Yeah.
Awucabanga ukuthi they might be motivated to think nathi singangena kule title. So if bashaya Pirates kusasa, they will be maybe 3 points away from Sundowns.
Yeah.
So that's not too far. You're not far from a Sundowns.
Yeah.
If Ushai Pirates kusasa.
Yeah.
Are they not going to feel motivated? The management, abadlali, nama coaches, ukuthi bona bakhona ku picture title race.
Yeah, I bona bana this thing. You go this corner with title race. Ukhumbula idabi ayina previous history. Ayina history in terms of performance, who's performing, who's not. We talk about one of the best team in terms of followers in Africa as a whole. Supporter, which is the player number 12. Each and every game they play, my supporters they believe that you will win a gold medal. You understand? Irrespective of the team, they support their team, compliment to their supporters by doing that. They like England. In England, you have a team whereby you don't even aksama team akhrut. Everton, yes, they are big, but not like Arsenal, Chelsea.
But they have supporters.
Each and every young Brentford, but look at their fans.
They have a lot of supporters.
So Kaizer Chiefs fans, they are like that. They support their team. But true, let's face it, reality.
So from before you answer that question, from their side, you don't believe that even if bangashaya Pirates, ayingeke ibanike motivation yokuthi thina sikhona kule ndaba ye title.
It's very difficult for them to beat Orlando Pirates.
No, on the assumption, we're going to go to your prediction.
Yeah.
On the assumption that they beat Pirates, because everything is possible in football.
Yeah.
On the assumption that they beat Pirates, kusho ukuthi bangasondela ku-Sundowns. Angeke bona bazibone ukuthi baku title race na.
Yeah, I was not going to predict Nguleka. I was just telling you ukuthi bona banayo true a chance banayo. If they beat Orlando Pirates, the difference between them and Sundowns is 3 points. They will leak in marathon, but they believe if football anything can happen.
Sure.
It's true. Anything in football it can happen. We need to be realistic. Going to the game, there's Sundowns. Nobody thought Sundowns the way they're corner, especially compared to previous seasons. Pirates can be beaten by Mamelodi Sundowns. You understand? So we've got Pirates national team. They're dominating. We are playing the beautiful football currently in Betway Premiership. But going to the game, I think Ukari is beat. So anything in football, it's possible. So when I this thing with team management, including technical team, management, coaches, players themselves, but including a technical team, but this thing with we can beat Orlando Pirates. And if beat for sure, they've got that chance. Different will be 3 points. And with 3 points, anything can happen. Should Sundowns lose games, Kaizer Chiefs is over in a chance. If they win, focusing, it doesn't depend.
They have to win their games.
Unfortunately, you understand. So, bana this thing, kusasa soyidla Orlando Pirates. And njengoba ngisho iDerby, players themselves highly motivated. As a coach, yena Ben Yusuf and Okazi, they've done naye uwadu. They've done their job yabo during the week. Come Derby, players will never even listen. They will never even hear them. Mhlambe second half on changing room kula bazothatha ama instruction. But ama players in the phela kule game as a player, want to play bad, you're out. Isizini nje yonke. Yabona iDerby, you can play bad coming to the Derby, and then uthola ukuthi ngikhuluma as a player, and then you do well now, you turn your corner around.
You'll be remembered.
You understand? So truly speaking, I think Gillen Tens about so always like in the picture of Orlando Pirates icon, South African
face of the Derby,
because they score most, and it's not easy. Abo Lodge, we can reach. Honestly,
you make your name in the Derby.
You understand? So it's not every player that will perform with Derby. We nervousness, including the technical teams. Some of the teams, I'm sure, between Pirates and Chiefs, gonna have bonuses. Yeah, good Chiefs, I know they used to do that, which is true. I know with Kaizer Chiefs will never, team, but they will never want to be lose Orlando Pirates. I think that was a culture. Into school siyaz da, nathi team ukuthi singaluza konke ama team, which is asihlaleli ukuluza.
Yeah, for sure.
But should we lose, it happens, go right. But Pirates, we can't be beaten because mfethu, everything tomorrow yoma by 3 o'clock. Yonke, I'm talking about all the big businesses, offices, ayovalwa. Go and watch. Politicians, everyone that will big business people will be like super suits. Abanye babukele bo big screen. So it came a growth kakhulu. So ipare achieves just kuphendula. Bana this thing ukuthi yes, we not been consistent. We lost already 3 trophies on the season here. But asifuna ukudlwela abantu and masingadlala abantu sinebelief ukuthi league singayithatha, which is true. But competition neMamelodi Sundowns and different between them and Mamelodi Sundowns 3 points, so it's not going to be too much. So ukuphendulile
Orlando Pirates are stronger than Chiefs. No matter how you look at it, whether you look at the squad, whether you look at what they've already achieved, they've won the MTN 8, they've won the Carling. Do you think confidence Pirates banokuzitshela the whole week ukuthi we're going to beat these guys, or ingabe ibaphazamisile indaba yokuthi bashawe iKaizer Stars?
Yeah, numbers don't lie. Number one, Bogas is a young player from development.
Yeah, structure. No, Pirates is better than Chiefs.
Young striker, young talented. I don't think they will be defending Ntwana currently. Even a senior players we compare. Angisho ukuthi Ntwana ikhanda libe likhulu mfana. One of the best talent. Now in you say UK mfana. South America. Now also this boy in quarter left.
Yeah.
It means already achieved from their
Pirates
development
is in
ranks.
A better place than Chiefs.
They've got Relebogile Mfokeng, which is, I believe, in Spain or England. One of the best talent. First season mfana achieve into iningi amncane mfana. Regular call up ku national team, dominating national team. In Chiefs, I don't think there's players even yet Bafana. So we can't compare.
Yeah, there's no comparison.
We can't
compare. In a better
It's
place,
just that people like ngekuzu yabona njoba ngisho Derby inama surprises. Kune nervousness some players, but
so do you think the abadlali bePirates, as you mentioned, all of those things are correct? Even the Bafana domination or win a trophy. Pirates is in a far better place than Chiefs. Do you think ukuzakanje since Monday that training Pirates it dominate umcabango ukuthi sabashaya laba? Do you think they come into that game thinking like that? Because they are in a better place than Chiefs. They've won trophies, and Chiefs is an underdog to them. Do you think those players believe that?
You need to go backwards and come with power, speed, and then go to jump, especially umkhulu. So it was a blessing in disguise for me, Orlando Pirates, to lose go Kasrick. Because this thing, going to this game, with Sinet Banks win. Chiefs is out, Sundowns is
might have been a wake-up call.
We understand. So it's a wake-up call. Because you need to recharge. You can be a quality. I can do well every day since I like this TV, but you need to recharge.
Sure.
We understand. Even if it's remote, we start to value. We do me see she say and then one guy. So it's a wake-up call. A blessing in disguise. Those players, quality players. But to lose a Kasrick, I think Zobasiza coming to spark, spark, the body language, the energy, this thing we are Orlando Pirates, we know each and every opponent to play, our supporters it will be sold out. They need to play for something. They just come for Milos now. You understand? It's gone. What's under the bridge? Now the coach Agasa, he need to prove himself now.
Yeah, for sure.
2 losses
in a row.
yazi South Africa it's dangerous kakhulu mfethu. You can do well like unyaka wonke. Actually, unyaka una 360 5 or 60 360 something days, and then ilanga eli1 do well wonke amalanga ilanga eli1 uthola ukuthi kuba neblanda libona wonke umuntu sebazokudoubt. Some will say yes, some will say no. We should kuzoba number more equal. So Orlando Pirates, they are two loss. Sundowns, Casric idliwe team NFT, which is Mtsipe Championship. Casric akusi team ebhetle. Yabo. Pirates nobody thought they will be beaten by that team. Pirates nenqondo ukuthi yonke team yalapha, especially Arena.
Especially in Orlando.
Yonke team ina kuwe.
Especially in Orlando.
Even supporters they start doubting. What? Ne technical team Orlando Pirates. Ngisashitla Pirates lapha enkulu. Chiefs Pirates I know makunje bazomenzela lineup coach. Somewhere noma ngayifaki lineup yakhe going forward some bazomtshela coach ubani mele adlale mayi. Because true I don't think the coach they trust him the way because Pirates in this Nkuleko we like it or not fit. Pirates they are the best attacking current team in South Africa. They play beautiful football. In Kulmana nge-identity, week in and week out. But what there was this thing I think it's panicking. Playing these long balls, which is actually hard.
Yeah.
I don't understand
Against
why.
Sundowns, it did that.
Playing this like long diagonal ball, so a panic I don't understand. You've got better players pound to pound.
Yeah.
Compared to Castric, Nagule Game Sundowns. I'm a players work, I'm a player national team. Wait for these both teams. They could compete. They used to have a camp national team. They play together. So, angazi coach in manje midfield yakhe, they are no longer playing to his strengths yakhe. Abombule is sitting on the bench now, not even trusting them. Uqalile umbule season yonke. I mean, to first round of the season, play him. So, I think why do bamtauta? So, the Pirates, but bona their players, and also a technical team. But I think to better than Chiefs, which is true.
Yeah, it is objectively true.
No. They're better than Kaizer Chiefs. As an effect. So. With the body but true now, better than Kaizer Chiefs. In all departments, better than Kaizer Chiefs because pound to pound, I don't think I'm a players accepting they need. Signing with Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think they are the same.
Yeah, even on January, for example, the Chiefs was number 3.
Yeah.
Masingena ku January.
Yeah.
The Pirates they were number 1.
Yeah.
Mari Pirates yahambi market to buy even more. Ekuqaleni kwesizon they bought quality players. Mara nango January they said we are still number 1, but we're gonna strengthen. About Dion, about Msendami, about Chabatsan, to strengthen, and Chiefs were folding their arms. It kind of tells you where the ambition of those two different clubs.
And you are right because I think the Chiefs, if not mistake, if beba nevar to themselves, which January, no mga bansananga ke mhlambe June, benina this hope with these players play Chumabuye, which is their big signing according to them, which is good player, make no mistake. But you need a compliment from other teammates. You need a surrounding. You understand? So you can't be Mabu, you can't rely on good defensive midfield, him alone. This guy will get injured, will be injured for the longest time. This guy bookings, week in and week out, because we are overworked this guy. And some players are serving out, they don't even trust them. So, the Pirates, as we should, they bring Abu Msedami, they bring Abu Diong. I am fit. Unfortunately, because the Chiefs today, they buy bahlala na players wabo, which is the sign I'm a free agent. We know, you understand. Many of them, and signing free agent, I think I'm a results mele kube lawo. I mean, this is in my color. They were not gonna win anything. Now, in South League, it's gonna be mountain to climb.
Yeah, let's look at tomorrow then. Before you give me your prediction, do you have any suspicion ukuthi Chiefs ingafika ngomqondo wokuthi singama underdogs? Therefore, it is babambe la basingaluzi. So to play for a draw completely. Do you think they might have those tactics? 5 defenders, 2 defensive midfielders to play for a draw completely.
Yeah, it's just kanjalo. They'll play with 3 central defenders. I'm not too sure Mikel is injured, but I know Guno Kiven Msima Munaibe injured. Mhlambe wabalimaza le isikhathi bayodlala le kuZamalek. Ngibonile last time it didn't even come. But tomorrow they will play with him, Makati probably, and also Kunyika, central. And mhlambe ngaqala Solomons on the right hand side or even Monyane, because it's his former team. I think Monyane is again. And on the left, Marco struggled the Chiefs, honestly. Bengimthanda market Orlando Pirates. Chiefs is a big team, Chiefs is the stand of it. Yabo, they struggle with Chiefs mark, I need to be honest. Also, they play with defensive midfielders too. Bazodlala ngaye Buya Benyathi, badlale ngaye uMabuye. sitting, both of them. And then they will rely with this Kauliapo, probably with Silva, one wing. It might go to Modi. I will see my Modi game tomorrow. Angazi why my expectations go Modi. I don't understand. Which China snuggling and John Gulungu, I don't understand because it doesn't bring anything to Kaizer Chiefs. Some players I think njengabo lomfana umfundo I know ukuthi unetalento lomfana njengoba ngishilo was wrong developed. I think ufikele ezandleni ezi wrong ngikhuluma ku development unali talent. Now umfana bazange bali nature kahle le talent. Ngamani ngemcale ka left. Ku strong point like strong foot like adlale ka left awulethe. Beat somebody put across simple. I think go direct and score. Ungene phakathi sometimes. Yeah. Bodlala kanjalo. Pirates they play open game. Yeah. What do this thing yokuthi angadlala ngama wing. Play with this double number 10. I see it of starting because doing well. It's doing well. Well done ukurecover Bolelas. Kunobulazy nyana mari Bolelas. Kunama players so but into engichaza ngayo ucabanga ukudlula energy yakhe. And they've got best player njengorelebogile Mfokeng which is noma ngabe is out game yonke you can't take him out. You can't start him on the bench.
Yeah,
we talk about the
face
Salabafana bonke.
He has to play.
He has to play, you like it or not. Police, I think tomorrow is going to start as well. I think Police uzaqala as a half winger on the right. Mreme not much. We have Mreme. Mina njoba ngasho I question signing yakhe. Unnecessary for Paris to sign him Setam for me. It's unnecessary. Even now Tiong it was unnecessary. I know Gucci big
they thought they were strengthening.
Yeah,
but they didn't know that they're not going to fit so far.
Mangichi guwe unnecessary. Yes, they strengthen. Angichi, you sign players sometimes to motivate this. Oguchi it's a wake up call. Laba makumele bangene nabo they need to work extra mile. Not to say they are not quality players, but they don't Paris the way idlala ngakhona. It will take time. Not now because it's second round of the season. You understand? So coach angiboni ukuthi uzomqalisa even now Tiong namsendami. He can't. So
we might see Makgopa back. He's already mentioned ukuthi beka Jimmy iveki lonke uMakgopa.
Why beyangamdlalisi?
I think he was injured. He was injured.
We believe coach too much.
He was injured, but we definitely might see.
Yeah, mhlambe bazombopha umfana namapilisi bamnike. Obviously coach loves him. They love this forward striker yofika lapha ibullishe to defend even if it doesn't score. He bully you, he put pressure on you, and then he pull up or three center back and then some players off. Pound to pound, they can't make sure on the Pirates, honestly. But me now,
otherwise, me, I agree with you. I agree with which one is a stronger team. Yeah. It's just that the Soweto is that.
Honestly, with the Kaizer Chiefs, will create a chance now. Both like counter attack the Kaizer Chiefs. I suspect they will wait for the right moments. Compared to they know they can't match all of the Pirates, because the players at Pirates. They used to these big games. Kaizer Chiefs players, big games, I think, are a problem. You understand? So, also not even performing gula team yana inconsistent. So, gule game, I ngaba umhlolo ukuthi perform. But, njoba usho idabi motivation, my fans, they scream. Whether shy side net, whatever, we understand. So, they try to motivate. They are, but my expectation. So, each Chiefs will play, they will wait for Orlando Pirates. Badlale a counter attack, which is transition. They will play balinda moments to break. And for sure, mina nkulego Orlando Pirates I know they will play open game, but kuzobanza manje ukubreak ale 3 center back Chiefs. So angeke kube score is heavy man tomorrow. It's not going to be heavy. It's over tight game mfethu.
Final score prediction?
It's 1-1.
1-1.
Yeah,
so you're telling us all of this shit and then you say what? Yeah, Shandot. Yeah. So you're telling us all of this shit, but you're just going to stick with 1-1.
They're going to defend. It's going to make it very difficult to Orlando Pirates.
Oh, yeah, of course. Like you're giving them something.
Yeah, I won, but we the Pirates now, honestly, especially.
Pirates is stronger than Chiefs, but it's Derby.
You have
to put in that text here.
No, everybody Pants is going to happen 1-1. Relay is going to score. If I go Masonga. Chiefs, if it doesn't score. I suspect this Silva guy is going to score.
He's been scoring recently. Goal
scoring
machine. Goal scoring machine. Right wing.
No, he must cross. No. So it have been surprises. Honestly.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. It's difficult to predict that.
Yeah, so Maramina is going to happen 1-1.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. It's a Soweto derby. I mean, we've done these matches. It's been 6 years that we've been shooting videos at Idiski TV. I mean, I think half of the time we are correct, sometimes we are not correct, because this fixture is ridiculous. It doesn't respect form, it doesn't respect who's doing well, who's stronger than who. I think it's very clear that Orlando Pirates is better than Chiefs with the players, with the things that they win, the money that they spend. But then somehow the referee blows the whistle, it's a derby, and then things change. So it's very difficult to predict that game. You can go and predict it at World Sports Betting, put your bet in there. If you feel strongly one way or another, whether it's Chiefs, whether it's Orlando Pirates. It is TV Times, World Sports Betting.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.